Yeah, this is crazy, dog. I'm flat. Got the micros, this is Bitcoin, everything's selling off. This signal printed here, they got 1 hour, but I think I don't know if it's gonna get back up this high. We'll see. Have you taken anything today? Alright, bro. Sounds good. Oh man, you got filled and wiped. Yeah, dude. I always tell myself at least once a day I'm gonna get slammed. I'm gonna get filled and taken out on the same bar. So you got that out the way. Now you can go on about the rest of your trades. Yeah, I feel you on that shit. Yeah, I got the leg up yesterday and I sold a little bit on the way down. The The breakout points were nice. They were getting filled, so took advantage of it. I mean, that's what I like about trading a system. It don't really matter. If it prints, I'm hitting in. I'm trying to not trade too much on the overnight session because I get tired, but I've been neglecting my homework too, so I gotta get back to studying because I've been trading a lot. That was a nasty news bar, but I'm glad you had your stop loss in. That definitely looks strong enough to get its own second leg, but the tail on the next bar over kind of looks. Yeah, but I gotta get a pay. Once I start getting payouts, then I can say I'm on a roll. I got three funded accounts. I'm working on two more with Apex and one with Top Step. I get paid out hopefully this later this month, and then I'll get another couple funded accounts going. That'll be the plan. I don't know if this is gonna come back up here. Oh, dude, oil is, I mean, gold is always messing with me. If it doesn't go to that, I'm gonna be like, oh my gosh. I can't believe it. How many times did this happen with gold yesterday? I even moved my thing up a couple points. Have a good one, man. Thanks for stopping by right now. What up, Gonzalo? We're doing good, man. Dude, I wanted to ask you, yes, do people call you Gonzo? I didn't want to just say it, but I'm just curious. I like it, but I won't call you without your blessing. Yeah, I'm not really telling anyone my name yet. Maybe later this year, because I'm kind of posting games, and I feel like that's a little, I don't know. I don't want people to know my name because I post profits a lot. If I wasn't posting profits, I'd say it. I streamed video games before this, and I wasn't making a living or anything like that, but I did good enough to start to get nervous when I was streaming. First, I was streaming to a little bit of people, and everything was good, and then people started finding me on Facebook. They were finding like my personal Instagram account, and it just got like a little like they were messaging me on Facebook, and I was just like, yo, this is, I don't know if I like that. So I was trying to keep a little bit of separation with this one and that one. Because once they found me on Facebook, I just did not like streaming anymore. That's more than fun, man. That's what I call it. Yeah, that works, man. I like being called Ding. My voice just cracked. God damn it. Thanks, bro. I appreciate it. I do like streaming, but that's why I was like, okay, if I stream again, I'm gonna try and do it faceless, nameless. Um, if we were ever to meet in person, I wouldn't hide it. Like, someone in the Discord is from the same city I'm in, and when we meet up, I'm not tripping off that. Or if we were in the Al Brooks present once a year thing in Florida, and we meet up, I'm not gonna fucking hide. But yeah, we'll see. I wouldn't say professional. I wasn't making a living off gaming, but I do play a lot. I used to. So you're a scientist that works in a probiotic company? Dude, that's so interesting. So gut health, is that is gut health real, or is that all kind of internet talk? Hey, morning, Manny. So statistics say I always lose on Friday. Yeah, hey, it's the weekend, man. Enjoy the weekend. You don't need to trade every day. You need to be consistent, and that doesn't mean trade every day. Yeah, I've read a lot about micro. I haven't read a lot about. I've heard a lot about it about just the gut biome and our. I don't tell me to shut up here. You're the professional, but our gut biome can influence our emotions, and it's important to take care of it. The microbacteria can really influence a person's personality, emotions, and things like that. That's when I started paying attention to it. That I was like, wait a minute, I can be influenced by the things I eat, and then I was like, okay, I need to look into this a little bit and eat a little healthier. The microbiome impacts your health a lot. Yeah, that's so interesting. It's called the gut-brain axis, and the cells in your gut influence your brain. That is so crazy. Think about maybe from a trading perspective, like what if we ate something the night before and put us in a bad mood, like woke up with a bad stomach? Could that be a thing? And he's already on it, eating the kimchi with sauerkraut. Yeah, that would be cool to get to just know about that. I resorted to eating a lot of like ground beef, eggs, chicken and rice, and just things that are very like of that, whatever the heck that's called. And I've noticed my emotions are a lot more stable. Not necessarily for trading, just in general, like a more flat instead of spiking up and down. Like I eat ice cream every now and then. I haven't had a bag of hot Cheetos this year, but I like hot Cheetos, so I eat one bag maybe in a month or two. But for the most part, I eat the same thing every day now, and it works out. Yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah, it's not unhealthy. It's I fast. I eat meat, eggs, rice, water, and coffee. I have one canned soda with no 0 calories a day because I have a sweet tooth. That's crazy. Okay, so Whoop Band can check your sleep. I've heard about Whoop Bands, but I've always thought they were kind of like gimmicky. I didn't know if they were legit. That is a good question, and I'm glad you asked. The reason I'm trading gold, Bitcoin, I got the micros right here. I got NASDAQ right here, is because I'm trading breakout and pullback. So I'll show you this real quick. I have a breakout. Everything respects the market cycle. It doesn't matter if it's crypto, it doesn't matter what time frame, it doesn't matter. Everything respects the market cycle and breakouts. Give me 2 seconds here, just want to make sure. So I have this up. See, breakout, pullback, leg one, pullback, leg two. That's not the setup. I would have liked to have bought down here, and when I don't get filled, yesterday I wasn't getting filled, and that really annoyed me. So I started to do some homework, and the homework was, what do I do when I don't get filled? If I don't get filled, it means I'm looking at a strong trend that's not pulling back. So I'm looking to take a high one or high two. So I wanted to buy the high of this bar. I don't get filled here. Leg one, pull back, leg two. Excuse me. Okay, we break out the pullbacks here, high one, pullback, high two. So I take this bar for 1-to-1. So, I just totally gave you a long answer, but it's a breakout and pullback. It may be a different product, but it's the same concept. It's a breakout and pullback. So I'm not gonna be trading market orders all the time. I'm still waiting for a specific setup, but in a strong market, I won't get filled. Like yesterday, I didn't get filled like 6 times or 4 times. That's why you don't see me market ordering anything here, is because it's already done. The strong breakout's done. On gold, the strong breakout was just starting. It is starting to go a little more sideways, so I don't like that. But yeah, that's the reason. I always do my stop is 1 tick below the breakout bar. I'm trading, if I traded this bar, which I was looking to, I would go for 1-to-1 with a stop down here. Now I'm trading a high two, so I'm going for 1-to-1 with a stop down here. So everything's this, when we think of systems, it's not the entry, it's the context. And the context is breakout, leg one, leg two. Leg one, pullback, leg two. So yeah, that's why. That was kind of a long answer. I hope that helped. Let me know if you want a longer answer, because I could talk forever about the stock market. Yeah, no worries. I don't know where you are in your trading career, but I would really focus on one instrument, understanding breakouts, market cycles on whatever you pick. And then when you know what you're looking for, just throw it on whatever you. I would trade oil too, but for some reason, NinjaTrader doesn't load oil for me. But that's it. Yeah, I just clicked the other day. One benefit to trading is one thing over and over and over again is like spread my risk across multiple markets. So yeah. MNQ is tight risk, so I'll take it, but I'm skeptical. Definitely skeptical about buying after this, but I'll take it for a scalp because this bar got 1R very quickly. Perfect. I mean, I just started trading multiple products this week. I traded one thing for 3 years. I traded micros, and then just this week I went over to Nasdaq, and that's when I went to Nasdaq. That's when I was like, wait a minute, I can do this many more times. So yeah, when trading one thing is great. You'll learn the market cycle. You'll learn exactly what you have to. Um, can I ask, are you trading from a systematic perspective, or are you leaning more discretionary? Good, yeah. Stick to the trends. The trend is your friend is the truth. Um, Practice that till you're not, I wouldn't say till you're never losing because you're always gonna have losing trades. But I would say until you feel comfortable with your setup. I think an important thing for people to understand is the market's really 50-50 most of the time. So losing is inevitable. Don't run from it. Understand your winners should eat up your losers over time. It's not day to day, it's like a week to week basis. 100 every 100 trades is what you want to look at. If you're profitable over 100 trades, keep doing what you're doing. I used to bartend, and one couple that came in every time was they were scientists. They were real scientists, and they would always say like, "Ask us any questions," and I'd always ask them questions about like the clouds and stuff. And one day, the husband, it was a couple of man and a woman, and the husband was kind of tipsy. I was like, "Oh, I'm gonna trick him and ask him a question about Harry Potter." And I asked him a question about the plants that scream. I don't know if you've seen Harry Potter, like it's like in the early ones where you take them out the pot and they start screaming. What were they called? Like the mud drakes or something like that. And he looked so confused. And then the wife saved him. She was like, "Hey, that's from Harry Potter." And I was like, "Yeah, you got me. You got to be around the house." It was fun. On this chart, it looks like a trending market, but I'm probably gonna hit out soon because it's gonna hit my first 1 hour target. In this chart, I was scalping, but what's interesting is the same setup. Breakout bar gets 1 R, breakout bar gets 1 R. I was actually a beer tender, so I never got to make cocktails. I was pouring beer and talking about beer and how the brewing process works, and I had to stop because the customer started paying me in beer and tipping me in beer, and I was like, this is getting too crazy. I can't go to work. I'm going to work for money, and I'm getting paid in beer. I was like, I had to stop. I don't remember if I was muted or not, but I said I was saying I was a beer tender, so I didn't really get to make cocktails. This bar got 1 R. That is pretty cool. Yeah, Ireland is. I want to go to Ireland and Scotland and all that stuff, man. That stuff looks so fun out there. Man, go to a bar, drink some Guinness, watch some bands play music, listen to some bands play music. That sounds like a good time. I don't really know. It's not as common as Ireland for sure, but I haven't gone out in a very long time. San Francisco is a weird place for me to go out to, but I would go out like maybe once a month to listen to a live band and eat. It'd give me an excuse not to talk. So, but yeah, it's not too common. Back to flat. This might go, but you know, 3 bear bars, 3 legs up. We're in a training range. It might be better to buy the high down here. Oh yeah, dodged a loss right there, man. That was nice. Oh yeah. But now look, CC breakouts happen both sides. Now the Bears that shorted this bar get 1 R. They got like 15 R. That's oh my gosh, look at this bar. So, oh man, I made bail quickly on that. Oh that oh yeah, it's hard to stay bullish after these bear bars. They look kind of menacing. Why'd you retract it? We already read it. It's just hard. We said it's hard to stay bullish. That's funny as hell, bro. Hey, good morning, everyone. What up, Bush? I've been talking a little bit today. Three funded accounts, but I don't think funded accounts count until they're getting paid out. So that's the next goal. Get these things paid out. Once I can get them past I think I got to get the 25Ks to 1600 and the 30K. Oh, crap, that scared the hell out of me. I was looking at it. Yeah, so yeah, we'll see. The funded accounts, I think, only matter if we can actually get paid out. Generally I go for one to one. That's the safe bet. When I did all my back testing, it was for one to one, so I just stick to that. But if you saw here, I went for a little bit more, and then I still just got out at my one to one because I wanted to race to the second target, and it didn't. So as long as I stick to the back testing, I will be profitable. But yeah, there's some discretion sometimes if I want to go for more. I wanted to go for more here, and it went sideways at one to one, so I just got out. There's no point in holding for more because this is a scalping system, so one to one is pretty good for scalping. That's how I find my targets and my stop loss. It's pretty easy to duplicate across multiple markets. See the same setup, same breakout, breakout, 1R, 1R. Going for 1R means I have to be right more than wrong. Yeah, I want to actually open up a synthetic account and swing the 45-minute chart with lots. So that's my plan in a few months. So that's why I don't really care to swing on the 5 minute because I could catch like 200 points on the 45-minute chart. Like that's a swing to me, 300 points. Like a 10-point swing. Okay, like this is a 7-point scalp anyways. So I'd just rather scalp, take what's available, and then swing the 45-minute chart whenever I get that synthetic account going. That'd be fun. Here we go. Don't be a dick for a tick. They just went to the target. Don't matter to me. This would be a candidate to just short and go for 1R, but I don't want to deviate from the system too much. But I just want to see if this bar makes 1R. If this bar makes 1R, this is kind of canceled out. I'm not going to cancel it out, but in my head, I'm like, this is going to be a weaker sell. If this bar makes 1R. If this bar makes 1R, then that's also set up to short below here. Because I trade leg 1, pull back leg 2. Look at that. Look at it. I'm just playing. taking profits is one of the hardest things to do, Gonzo. There's no doubt about that. So let me reread your question. When do you know how to exit? Discretionary or just following the fibs? I am following the fibs. Did you see how I moved my limit down here? Because I wanted it. I thought we could test here, and we did test here. But hold on, we're gonna try and pretend to like recreate this trade. So I had this was the bar I was trading, but this was the breakout point. So I did it from here because I just thought it was kind of dumb to yeah, I would have got filled in this scenario, but I did it from the breakout point, and then my stop was above the swing high because it was only like 1 point from here to here, and I would have felt real dumb getting stopped out a point below the swing high. So the market races up and it tags my order here. Look how this hit 1R. If you remember, I pulled my, right before this hit 1R, I pulled it down here. So to me, that's breaking a profitable system. Look, it's going down, but that doesn't matter because I don't need this to go down to be profitable. And then when this started to rally up, I put my stop to break even because I had already given away these profits. So when I was trading for this bar here, I was looking for something like this. I wanted this bar to look like that. So I had to get out just around 1R because that's what the system says. Prior to the system, I could not take profits. I would have there I literally had a 30-40 point trade rally and turn around and stop me out for a loss. I moved my stop away from break even. So for me, it's pretty important to manage my trade at least break even +1 or get out 1R unless I was looking for this bar again right here. So that's why I got out because I didn't get it and I'm not see bull, bear, bull, bear, bull, bear. So the next bar should be bullish. That's why I got out because it started to rally and I hit my 1R. But this broke the pattern. This isn't what's been happening the last 15, 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 20. The last 25 minutes it's been bull, bear, bull, bear. Bull, bear, bull, bear, bull, bear, bear, bull. This is not a strong bear trend. So in this scenario, that's why I got out here because that's 1R and it's range bound price action. So what if this bar happened right here and tagged me out break even? You know, I'd look real deal dumb. So I'm trying to stick to the system, and I really think I told someone this in a message in the Discord. He messaged me on the side. Go look, take with trend high two, low twos, and look at 1-to-1. How many times that happened? Trade that for 100, 200 trades. If you're getting out too early, go back and look at 1.5R. How many times has 1.5R happened? And then look at 2R. And then maybe you start to realize, oh crap, I get 2R when there's multiple gaps open. We only have one gap open here. Here we have let me see actually. Where are the gaps here? We have a gap open here. We have these gaps both got tested, so this isn't the strongest. It's becoming strong, but look, there's a rally here. So I feel like sometimes I give really long-winded answers. I would stick to the system when you're starting and let your back testing tell you when to hold. My back testing tells me as long as I get out at 1R, I'm good to go. So I had to at least protect myself because that's real deal dumb. I think yesterday I let a winning trade turn into a loser because I got greedy. So that was in the back of my head today. Yeah, that's viable too. I've thought about that, getting one contract out at 1R and letting one run. But so let me put this. This is what turned me into a scalper. Um, we all know Rose scalps. I can't tell you how Brad trades because I don't actually know, but I do know he has scalped in the past. Al Brooks scalps out of swings. He's very fast, so we don't even know if he's swinging or scalping. And Ali scalps. So the way I read that is why, how, none of these people were friends, or I don't even know if they're friends until they started studying Al Brooks. And they've all been studying it the longest. Rose has been doing it forever. Brad's been doing it forever. Al Brooks is the guy who made the course. And Ali's one of Al's first students. All these people have different backgrounds, but arrive to the same answer. They should scalp the markets. Um, I don't think that's a coincidence. I don't know if they leave runners. I do know Ali's very hard into scalping. I don't know how Brad, I know Rose scalps 2 points and leaves a runner. I don't follow Rose. I follow Ali, and he is one of Al's longest time students. So I think it's very interesting that all his strongest students arrive to the same answer, and I don't think they swing two contracts. And like except Rose, I do know Rose is known for leaving runners. I don't know if Brad does that. I don't think Ali does that because Ali'd rather be, it's the best position for a trader is flat. Excuse me. The best position for a scalper is flat, and I can't be flat if I have a open position. So, just some food for thought. Everyone has to do what's best for them. If you like swinging, you'll lose 60% of the time, but the 40% of the time you will win more money. So you'll be okay. If you like scalping, you're going to be going from 1 to 1, and you have to win more than you lose. I have I've lost multiple trades in a row a couple days. Today is a better day for me. I've lost one trade, and that was this gold trade. You saw me hit out for minus a quick point. Other than that, I've won more than I lost today. So the best position is flat. That's my answer. I don't. Maybe in the future I will leave a runner. Yesterday it would have been nice to have a runner in Bitcoin, but then how do you duplicate that? Trends happen 5% of the time. Up 5% of once or twice a month. How do you duplicate when to leave a runner and when you're going to get stopped out? And how do you balance being flat? You could argue I should have stayed flat. I mean, I should have kept that position open for gold. But then why wouldn't I, if I kept that position open? It's not a repeatable process, in my opinion. And I'm not at that stage where I can make discretionary movements. So I've got to rely on the system that is proven to be profitable through rigorous backtesting. No particular reason. I was using my funded futures last month. That's when I got my first payout. But at the rules are kind of funny after you start getting payouts. They say like 30 winning days, you get transferred over here, there. So I have a Apex right now. I have one Top Step prop eval account, and I'm just trying to get 20 Apex, 5 Top Steps, 5 take profits, and then I'll go back to my funded futures later. I just don't like their rules. They're a little bit, they got some funny business going on. So no real reason. Yeah, and it's gonna take time to trade 20 accounts at once. So definitely don't think there's any problem with that. Like, to buy a couple here, get used to it, have a couple live accounts, have a couple funded accounts, get used to trading 6 or 7, get used to trading 10 for a little bit because there is the pressure does start to stack up. I felt the heat yesterday when every trade turned around on me at the exact same time. So I'm trying to limit how many trades I'm in at once. Do you see how when I get profits, I start to look for more? That's one of my goals is when I'm in profits, I stick to the system. Because I do that a lot. When I get profits, I start going for a little bit more, a little bit more. So you gotta focus on that. I think you can have as many as you can handle because you could have your own accounts. You can have like you can log into Tradeovate multiple times. You can log into you can only log into Rhythmic once. I'm trying to figure out ways to log into Rhythmic twice, but I haven't figured that out yet. And then if you have a trade copier, you can use the trade copier. NinjaTrader can take as many as you can handle because you eventually you're gonna have to pay for a multi-license. I think it's like 2,000 bucks. I don't have the multi-license because I have the prop firms, so I'm good on that. But yeah, as much as you can handle. This would have been a good short to take. I couldn't think fast enough to reverse my position. Go for 1 R of that. Yeah, that was a hard trade to take. I almost cut it early, but the risk was 30 bucks. And whenever I do back testing, I put a lot of stupid trades in there. So I would consider that, buying the dip, not the smartest trade, but I can get away with it. I don't do, if I did that 15 times in a row, I'd probably get smashed. But this bar made 1 R. In this case, the bulls got stopped out, and then all our stops got ran, and that caused a sell off. So be it. Now maybe I can get filled here and go again, or maybe it reverses and takes me out. Third leg trading range. Prop firms money. So I got 3 funded accounts with Apex, and I'm working on another 3 eval accounts right now. The ones that say PA, so PA, they're funded by the prop firm, and the ones that don't have PA are evals. Thanks. How's your trading going? Are you do you use your own money, or are you with the prop firm right now? You bought a prop firm account, but you don't think you'll pass it? Be Social. I've never heard of Be Social. I might move my stop here, averaging at the EMA, get out and call it a day. This much selling power. I have some room to play, but I just want to see what happens on this next bar. That's pretty cool, Manny. So random investors copy the most profitable traders. How is that working out for you? Have you been getting paid out? I'm looking into it right now. So you already got money into your bank account from them. It says I can trade on TradingView, and the trade copier on NinjaTrader works for TradingView. So if I could do that, I'll just add it as another freaking account to trade. I'm not thinking of it as whatever's clever. I'd also want to build a strong history before I get crazy. Oh, it's okay. Yeah, I like regulated brokers. Okay, so if there's a way that I can stay on NinjaTrader and just have the trades copied into TradingView, I'm down. But I'm not gonna. I can't jump shit because 30% is not even a lot. To be honest with you, unless they're giving me like 300,000, 30% is not a lot. But if it's just an extra 30% of the work I'm already doing, then that's pretty nice. So I have to see how the trade copier is gonna work. So there's no, I just have to open up an account with them, and then I open up an account and they give me, I'm not paying for nothing. That's actually kind of, if the trade copier works, that's kind of free money in my head, but I don't want to think like that. That can get me in trouble. I like the sound of that. I'm gonna look into that this weekend because the thing is, if it works on TradingView and my account in the Apex copier works across TradingView, then it's a green light for me. If I have to actually click a different monitor, I'm not gonna do all that. So I wouldn't actually link the account. I would just give me 2 seconds here. I don't like how that looks. Yes, send me the details on Discord, please. I'm definitely interested in looking at it. Do you trade it on? Yeah, we'll talk in Discord if you trade it on TradingView or how it goes. Okay, I think I'm gonna make this my last trade, guys. That's two losses in a row. I do want to scale into this trade to the short side. Either that's here or scale in here and go for 2R and call it good. I think I might have missed my exit on this one. I did not expect that to collapse, but the name of the game. I was buying the dip. I thought this is very trading range behavior to me, but with more downside momentum. You guys just heard me drink coffee. My bad. I thought I was muted. I do want to scale in one time here if I get the opportunity to. Which one are you talking about, Gonzo? This one or this one? This one, I don't know what the if that was a news bar. This is at 1R, so I might have to hit out if it doesn't go down fast. But every pullback has been shallow. But we could be in the third leg trading range behavior. So this is my last trade of the day, guys. Yeah, I'm about to hit the gym. What are you working out today? Upper body is fun, bro. Yeah, I'm doing arms, so we're gonna be working something similar at the same time. Different parts of the world, we're doing the same thing, trading and working out. That's so tight. Oh, tomorrow's UFC. Yeah, Mice is big on UFC. Who's fighting? Who's fighting tomorrow? I don't know who DDP is, but I do know Strickland is wild as hell. Not in fighting, on social media. Some of the things he be saying, I saw him on an interview talking about fingering a girl. I'm like, dude, this guy is saying outrageous things on YouTube. I guess I just said, yeah, I'm interested now. It'd be if I knew how to if I knew a website to get it for free, I'd just throw it in the Discord. But then I get the whole Discord shut down for illegal live streaming on UFC. Dana White will come for us. That'd be fun as hell though. Damn, I don't know how to do that. I gotta poke around now. Sneaky. Are you gonna so you're gonna watch it on that website you look at? Every live free live streaming website I found has so many pop-ups, it freaks me out. Come on, give me a takeout bar. We can go about our Fridays, hit the gym, have a good workout. And I'm ready to study all weekend. I'm gonna study like a crazy person. Yo, what the hell? Was the trading gods listening to me? Thank you, thank you, thank you for listening one time. I don't think that ever happens. Keep it going, don't stop. You're right there. You're right there. Ah! I feel you, bro. Oh man. You know, one day we're gonna be so profitable, we're gonna just be laughing at this conversation. This is gonna be fun. We're gonna tour Europe. We're gonna go to Ibiza. We're gonna drive Ferraris and party with Victoria's Secret models. It's gonna be tight, bro. Kind of wish I scalped out of this one. All right, guys, I hit my target 200 on the RTH session, 200 on the overnight. So between the funded accounts, I'm up 1200 today. I'm not trying to make 1,200 is not sustainable. 100 to $200 a day is. I hit 200 today. That's the high end. So that 400 you see down there, I wish I could. So these are the three funded accounts. 12, 4, 4, 4, that's 1,200. And then these are the evals I'm trying to pass. That's very good for Friday, I think. Systematic. I was the breakout points were printing last night on the overnight session. So yeah, pretty good day. I'm not gonna push my luck. Every time I push it, I do bad. It's really hard for me to walk away, so I need to do this while I'm in the right head because I feel like it's only half a day. There's gonna be more signals that print. Yeah, man. Gonzo, you have a good weekend. I'll talk to you on Monday. Manny, everyone, it was nice talking to you guys. Thank you for tuning in. I'm gonna drop the breakdown later, take a quick nap, drink some coffee, and go work out. And I'm ready to freaking study. So yeah, hit me up in Discord. Let's chit chat. Thank you for tuning in, everyone. Talk to you later. It's reversing. Goodbye.